Today we discuss point industrial safety. In industrial engineering or in any industry, it is so important. Safety is so important for workers and all human beings, those who work in industry. So today we discuss about industrial safety. Okay, so today we discuss topic industrial safety. So first one is the objective of today's presentation. First objective is improve safety awareness, accident prevention, reduce the accident and achieve 100% accident free working, safe productivity. Okay, those are the objectives of presentation. Next is the consequences of accidents. So in consequences, so medical expenses, indirect losses, no peace of mind in family, frustration in a life, future plan upset, loss to the family if death or disablement occur. Those are the consequences of accident: medical expenses, indirect losses, no peace of mind in family, frustration in life, future plan upset, loss to the family if death or disablement occur. Okay, so next point is next consequences of accident is social losses. In that consequences of accident, in that social losses, in social losses, children become orphans, burden to society. Okay, so causes of accidents. So first we discuss causes of accidents in a industry or in a firm. So first one is a unsafe act. So unsafe act not following. So unsafe act, in that not following safety norms applicable to them, standing order of the company, plant safety rules, safety instructions, safety tips, accident prevention instructions. Okay, so unsafe act, safety norms applicable to them, standing order of the company, plant safety rules, safety instructions, safety tips, accident prevention instructions. Okay, not following, that time accident is chances of accident. So those are the cause. So it is important to follow all points of and rules and regulations of any industry, its safety tips. Okay, and prevention instructions is important. So next cause of accident is not using safety guard, safety gadgets, recommended speed and feed, not using right tool for the right job, use of a warm out non-standard tools. Those are also causes of accident. We can not using safety guards, not using safety gadgets, not using recommended speed and feeds of a machine, and not using a right tool for right job, use a warm out non-standard tools. Okay, so that time accident is chances of accident. Okay, so next causes of accident is other missed causes, in that horseplay at the shop floor, disturbing the concentration of other by throwing item, talking, operation dangerous machines without training, without knowing, without order, etc. And shortcut methods. When we can use shortcut method, that time also chances of accident. So those are the causes. Next cause of accident is non-reporting in a time and defect noticed, bad housekeeping, improper cleaning of a tool, job or machine, and not using a proper and suitable PPE. Okay, so those are the causes. Next cause of accident is personal factors. So in personal factor, faulty attribute like a lack of attention, irresponsibility, recklessness, defect vision, lack of sleep, risk taking tendency, alcohol or drug habits, worry and emotions. Okay, those points include in personal factor. Next one is in a personal factor is physical fitness, unsafe conditions. So unsafe condition, faulty mechanical conditions, no provision of guard, improper ventilation, poor illumination, no caution board or notice board. Okay, that cause also accident, chances of accident. So those point unsafe condition points. Next one is unsafe conditions. In unsafe condition, improper maintenance and periodically inspection. Next is a natural calamities, in that lightning, floods, collapsing of a building, earthquake. By that natural calamities also cause of accident. Okay, those figure shows accidental, so in machines. Okay, so this man lost his finger in a power press. This is the example of accident. There was no guard in a place as required by law to keep his finger out of a point of contact. Okay, so that type of accident is occurred in industry when working in on machines or in plant. Okay, so this is an example we show here. We can show here. This is example. Next one is, this is also one example. Maybe I should have helped those guard on my machine. Okay. Next one is that type of suppose we work on a machine. That time we concentrate on work. Otherwise, chances of accidents. So do not divert your attention while working on the machine. Okay, those photo shows attention while on the machine. Do not divert attention while working on the machine. Okay, next one, while removing the job from the chuck, ensure that tool holder at the safe distance. Next one, do not try to stop the rotating mill machine with the hands. Never use bare hands to remove metallic chips from the machine. Okay, so proper instrument is used for performing any operation, so we can avoid accidents. So this is one more example of an accident. Never use bare hands to remove metallic chips from the machine. Next one, use a suitable device to handle metallic chips from the machine. Next one, accident assessment method in your shop. For example, activities is scrap lifting from a shop floor. Suppose we take one activity, scrap lifting from a shop floor. So in that hazard is falling of a heavy scrap from a low height, Risk is a injury to men and controlled by PPE, safety shoes, hand gloves, and safety instructions. Okay, so accidental assessment method in your shop. So this is the example we discuss here. So next point is know your provided. So in that personal protective equipment, we can use personal protective equipment. So first one is a fiberglass industrial type helmet. So in that personal protective equipment, in that fiberglass individual type helmet, we can use welding helmet and welding shield, panorama goggles with a clear plastic visor, leather cup type goggle, air plug, dust respirator, canister type gas mask, leather apron, safety belt we can use. Okay, so those are the protective equipment we can use. So next equipment is a leather canvas hand gloves, leather hand gloves, cotton gloves, rubber hand gloves, electric shock resistant gloves, protective barrier cream, leg guard and leather gagging, leather safety boot, gum boot. Okay, so it is important to use those type of equipment, protective equipment when we working in industry or in a company or in firm. Any firm we can use that type of equipment. It is so important. Other that equipment we protect. Okay, protect from accidents.